Okay, so question 1 is saying that P bracket A plus B. Okay, expand and simplify. This is very simple. So P will multiply each and every term in the bracket, right? So P will first multiply A leading to PA plus P would multiply B leading to PB. So the solution will be PA plus PB. That's the expansion of question A. PA plus PB. Okay, so number 2 is one and the same thing. C will multiply each and every term in the bracket, leading to Cx, which is C times x, plus C times y, which is Cy. So the solution for question 2 will be Cx plus Cy. That's the solution for question 2. So this is the solution for question 1, this is the solution for question 2. Okay, so I want you to pay close attention to question 3 because it's the tricky part but not that tricky. Okay, so question 3 is saying that A minus B bracket C minus D. Okay, so the first step we're going to do is expand. How do we expand? Bracket each and every term in bracket A will multiply each and every term in bracket in the second bracket. Right? So this is the first bracket, this is the second bracket. Okay, so each and every term in the first bracket will multiply each and every term in the second bracket. How does that happen? It happens like this. So A is A bracket, then we put the second bracket, C minus D. Then negative B, this negative B bracket C minus B. Minus D, I mean C minus D. Okay, that's the first step. The second step is just like what we were doing in the first question. A will multiply each and every term in this bracket, B will multiply each and every term in this bracket. Then just A times C, which is AC, minus A times D, which is AD. Then negative B times C, it leads to a negative CD. Then negative B times negative D. Negative B times negative D. Okay, so I want you to understand something here. A negative times a negative, brackets means multiplying. This bracket means multiplying. That's why we're multiplying all over from here to here, right? So negative B times negative D is going to lead to a positive. This negative times this negative first will lead to a positive. Then B times D is going to lead to BD. Okay, so there are no common terms in this expression. If there were common terms, we're going to add them or subtract them depending on the sign, but there are no common terms in this expression, so we are done. So this is question 3. Question 3, that's how we work it out. Okay, so we're going to question 4. This is question 4. Question 4 is saying again, question 4 is saying that bracket 2n plus 3 bracket 2n plus 5. Okay, so this is the expression for question 4. It's just like the one we did, but a bit complicated, one might say, but not that complicated again. So each and every term in the first bracket will multiply each and every term in the second bracket. Okay, just like what we did with question 3. So how is that going to happen? Okay, so 2n bracket 2 plus 5. This is the second bracket of this period here. This is the 2n. So this term is multiplying each and every term in this bracket, plus, okay, so this term will multiply each and every term in this bracket, this term will multiply each and every term in this bracket. So then we're saying plus 3, this plus 3, bracket 2n plus 5. So this bracket is coming in twice, 2n second bracket plus 3 second bracket. Right, I hope this is clear to everyone. Okay, so in this term we're going to need a little simplification. Okay, so 2n times 2n, 2 times 2 is going to be 4, n times n is going to be n squared. So 2n times 2n is going to lead to 4n squared. 4n squared. Then 2n times positive, this is plus 5. So 2n times 5 is going to lead to what? 10n. Because 2 times 5 is going to lead to 10. n times 10 is going to be 10n plus 10. times 10n plus now plus, okay, plus 3 times 2n. 3 times 2n is going to lead to what? Plus 6n. 3 times 2n is going to lead to 6n. Is 3 times 2 going to equal to 6 with n? So it's going to lead to 6n. Then 3 times 5 is going to lead to 15. Okay, so we are done expanding. What's left is to simplify, right? Then 4n squared plus 10n plus 6n. Okay, this term, these are like terms, right? In this expression, so this can be added. So 10n plus 6n is going to lead to 16n. So we're going to end up with 4n squared plus 16n plus 15. That's the solution for question 4. That's the solution. Very simple. Very simple. So we're now left with question 5. Okay, we're now left with question 5. Okay, so I've rewritten question 5 on a separate answer sheet. So question 5 is saying that 2x minus 5y squared, right? 2x minus 5y squared. So this is equal to this. 2x minus 5y times 2x minus 5y. It's just the same. Is it's squared, right? So this third step we're going to do here is to multiply each and every term in the first bracket by each and every term in the second bracket. How do we do that? We take the first term in the first bracket, which is 2x, multiplied by the second bracket, which is 2x minus 5y. Then we take the second term in the first bracket, which is minus 5y, multiplied by each and every term in the second bracket, which is 2x minus 5y. I hope we're clear on this. Okay, so what's left now is just to expand and simplify. So each and every, so here is saying that 2x bracket 2x. Okay, so bracket means what? Bracket means multiplication. You are multiplying. Okay, so 2x times 2x is going to lead to 4x squared. X times x, x squared. 2 times 2, 4. So 2x times 2x is going to lead to 4x squared. Right? Minus 2x multiplied by negative 5y minus 5y. So 2x minus 2x times minus 5y is going to lead to minus 10xy. X times y is going to lead to xy. 5 times 2 is going to lead to 10. So it's going to lead to a negative 10xy. There's a negative here. And this is why I'm not confused. You don't get confused. Very simple. Then negative 5y here times 2x, right? It's going to lead to negative what? 10xy. You get it? So simple, right? 5 times 2 is going to lead to 10. Y times x is going to lead to xy. Then the negative remains there. So it's going to lead to negative 10xy. Then I want you to pay close attention again. So negative 5y times negative 5y, right? So 5 times 5 is going to lead to 25. Y times y is going to lead to what? To y squared. But there are two negatives. Negative times this negative is going to lead to a positive, which is positive. Negative times negative is going to lead to a positive, right? 5 times 5 is going to lead to 25. Then y times y is going to lead to y squared. Y squared, like this. Okay? So now we are simplifying. Negative 10y, negative 10xy, negative 10xy, right? These are like terms, right? So 4x squared like this. I hope what I'm writing is clear to everyone. So 4x squared minus 20xy plus 25y squared is the solution, right? You were simply just told to expand and simplify. We in the first step and third step. In the second and third step, we were expanding. Then in the fourth and fifth step, we were simplifying. So I hope this was clear to everyone, right? I hope this was clear to everyone. Thank you very much for watching and subscribe. So as every week I'll be uploading tutorials. So thank you.